You will need 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken. Rotisserie chicken works exceptionally well for those looking for convenience. Next in line is the barbecue sauce. 1 to 1.5 cups of your favorite brand will do the trick. Remember, the amount of barbecue sauce can be adjusted based on personal preference, so feel free to experiment a bit. And finally, tying it all together, we have a box of cornbread mix. First, preheat the oven to the temperature specified on the cornbread mix package. This usually hovers around 375 degrees. Meanwhile, grab a medium bowl and mix the shredded chicken with the barbecue sauce until well coated. Then, spread this barbecue chicken evenly at the bottom of a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. In a separate bowl, prepare the cornbread batter according to the package instructions, which typically involve mixing the dry mix with milk and eggs. Once ready, pour this batter over the barbecue chicken layer, spreading it evenly to cover the chicken completely. Next, place the casserole in the preheated oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's done when the cornbread is cooked through and golden on top. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out clean. Allow the casserole to cool slightly before serving. This dish is fantastic on its own, or it can be paired with a side salad or steamed vegetables for an even more balanced meal. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.